Here's how you can set up your Gemini MD bot on your machine. At first, clone the repository into your Mini Pepper 2, and then go to the repository for Gemini MD bot. In here, you can see I have already SCP'd the credentials for Google into this machine from my local machine. Now, go into the env.sample and change the API key path into your path where you have put it. I have put it here in the etc folder. And then copy to .env. And then mod your install.sh and then start installation. This is going to take a couple of minutes. Next, install all of the dependencies from the requirements.txt file. After the installation is complete, go into the API folder and you can start testing out one of our files. As you can see, everything works perfectly fine.